and the animals. I have a reward for you for all your hard works. Here, take your reward you with this nice big bone. Joey was so happy and show his happiness get mastered by wagging his tail. He take the bone in his mouth and ran to his kennel. He was so happy that he was gifted with a bone for his hard work. He jumped with joy and kissed the bone, that the bone was a prize gift, and said, I wish to celebrate this day by eating the bone all by myself. The other dogs came to visit Joey to play with him. Joey didn't want to share the bone with him, so he growled and barked to the other dogs. The other dogs see by Joey's action and left to play by themselves. Joey took the bone in his mouth and said to himself, cause for a celebration, let me take the bone to the park and eat it all by myself. Taking the bone in his mouth, he started walking towards the another dog, pretending not to see the another dog. The another dog see by Joey's action and stand there all sad. When crossing the bridge, he saw his own reflection in the water through the gap in the bridge. I think the neighborhood dogs not to follow me, and let them follow me, trying to grab my bone. Let me grab, snort, and bite at them. The bone he was carrying in his mouth fell into the stream. I feel sad that I lost the bone. Feeling sad losing the bone, he sat by the side of the stream. The other dogs started to fetch the tofu they had fetched. They saw Joey sitting all sad by the stream. Hey Joey, why you are sitting here all sad? Joey explained what had happened. They asked Joey not to feel sad and shared their food with him. Joey realizes his mistake and felt ashamed by not offering food to the neighborhood dogs. In the meanwhile, the man was sitting by the stream and catching fish with his fishing rod. He threw the hook inside, which came that bone that Joey had dropped. The bone realized this was not a fish. Joey threw the bone away. The bone landed by Joey's feet. All excitement, Joey house. It's my bone! It's my bone! I got it back. Next moment, he realizes of his friends. He hailed his friends and shared the bone with him. From that day onwards, they was the biggest of friends and lived happily ever after. Thank you for watching my video. Please